Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new pattern tutorial. I made a scarf here with double crochets that I put together. It has like a nice whole pattern, just because we always went around the chain stitches, around the double crochets that were together. And just really cute, really nice and cozy. I'm going to show you the wool obviously in a second. We have a nice color fade wool here, with some petrol, and then it's more like blue, and parts of it is, has kind of like 3 different colors at once, that always one thread gets like switched out, and because of that we have a really nice color effect. And I'm going to show you this in a little more detail now. Have fun! Alright, so here we are with this mega color wool from Rico Design. This is color fade wool, 100 grams, and you can see the colors here. So the color actually gets lighter the more we get to the outside basically of the ball of yarn. We have some different shades here, so we always are switching off one of the threads. So every thread has kind of like 3 threads that are twisted around each other. And you can see it here. I'm kind of like pulling it apart. So as you can see, the thread kind of consists of 3 smaller threads, and those kind of just get switched out bit by bit. This one is a darker blue, and then 2 of the lighter ones. And and very centrally here it starts with just the dark one. I hope that I can get the thread out here, the middle or the beginning. And I think this worked out really well here actually. Here again you can see how the thread has like these 3 parts, right? And I'm just gonna cut this to the same length. It's kind of like coming apart a little bit. And just a little piece here. The crocheting hook kind of just fell. But it's a long thread here, 250 meters, 100 grams, 80% acrylic, 20% wool. Meant for size 67 crocheting hook. I'm going to use my size 6 here. And the color variation here is the number 29. There's a few different ones, with just different like color hues. So there's also like violet, pink, gray, whatever your heart desires. So let's get started with our size 6 crocheting hook here. I just picked it up because it had fallen. So let's see, we are starting here with a multiple of 3 and 1 additional one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so 15 stitches. And then 1 more. You can also do a multiple of 3 plus 4. Just, depends however you think it's easier to calculate for you. And then we go back and we count back 5 stitches, and we go into the 5th one and pull the thread through here as if I was going to do a double crochet. And then we will actually wrap around again, pull the thread again, so now we have 4 loops on the hook. And then we pull it through again through 2. So now we have 3 on the hook. The beginning of 2 double crochets, and we will actually leave them together here, okay? And then this one is done, or these ones are done. Then we added chain stitch, and then we do the same thing again into the same stitch. Okay, through 2, wrap around, pull again, pull through 2. Now we have 3 on the hook, and then through all 3. Okay, so this is the structure, this is the idea, right? We have this here twice with a chain stitch in the middle. Then we skip the next 2. It's definitely busy enough in that one stitch. And then we do the same thing again. Okay, into the same stitch here. And then pull through 2, 3 on the hook, and leave them on. Then add a chain stitch and do this thing over again. So pull through, now we have 3, pull through 2, grab again, pull through 2, now we have 3 on the hook, and we pull through all 3. All right. Okay, so that we did this twice now already with chain stitches here in the middle. We skipped 2 between the packs, and at the top we always left 1 chain stitch in between. Then we go in again, then we go through 2, through 2, 3 on the hook, and through all, and then chain stitch and do the same thing again, through 2, through 2, 3 on the hook, and leave it all. All right, so this is our structure again now for the 3rd time. I'm going to do a 4th time here. Then I have 2 more left, 2 more chain stitches left on the bottom here. 3 on the hook, through all 3. Okay. Through 2, now we have 3 on the hook again, and pull through all 3. And then this one's done as well. So we've done this now 4 times. And then we go in here into the last double crochet and add a double crochet. Into the last chain stitch, and we add a double crochet. The first 4 we skipped, 1 for distance and 3 as the height, for the same height kind of as a double crochet. Then we continue here into the next row. 1, 2, 3 chain stitches for height. We turn it around and we do the same thing again. So wrap around. Now we have 3 on the hook. We pull it through all 3, add a chain stitch, do the same thing in the same stitch. And now our structure is done. We go around the next chain stitch here that's in between the 2 different sides down below. And we do the same pattern. Okay? And through 2, and then here again we have 3 on the hook, and we go through all 3. Number 2 is done. Okay, and here again, and through all 3, chain stitch, and through 2, wrap around, through 2, 3 on the hook, all through all 3. Okay, next one here. You can see here how nicely this is already looking here. Okay, through 2, 3 on the hook. Okay. And then 3 on the hook, pull through all 3. And then we're done. And then here at the very end, around the chain stitches, we add another double crochet. And then we're done. You can just see here how nice this looks, this pattern looks, how it kind of goes into each other around the chain stitches of the row before. And I'm going to continue doing this here with always 3 chain stitches for the beginning, and then they end with a double crochet around the chain stitches of the row before. And I accidentally just crocheted a full double crochet here, which obviously I wasn't supposed to do. But obviously that's not a big issue because you can just take it right back out. Okay, next one here. 3 on the hook and leave them all. And done. Okay, so I'm going to continue crocheting this for a while and give you an update. Alright, so here we are, and I've actually continued crocheting over the whole dark blue part. I already did 3 more chain stitches for the next row. We can see here now that there is a color fade coming now. There's a little bit of a fade over here, but it's not actually knotted. But yeah, this is the next color, so you can see that there's now lighter colors coming in. And then the next row is starting up. I'm going to crochet this whole next row with you guys. And here again, through two, and here through 3. Next one, okay. Through 2 again, through 3. Add a chain stitch, then again, and then through 3. And now you can really see the difference here, what it looks like with the colors. I think it looks really pretty. Here again through 2 and here through 3. Then we take the next one through 2, wrap around 3 on the hook, go through all 3. Then here again through 2, and then through all 3. Chain stitch, and again through 2, then 3, and for the end here we do the double crochet, and then this row is done. And I'm now going to continue crocheting, and then I'll give you an update again. Alright, so here's my update for you. And as you can see here, we have a scarf that's actually done. It's about 1.50 m long, or 1.60 m maybe. And I'm going to leave it at that length. You can see here the color really has changed. The first one here is the dark color, the dark blue, and this last one here is the really light color. They're about the same length. In between we kind of have, yeah, the parts where it's like switching over. So we have like one lighter color out of the 3, and this is a darker one. And I have a lot more wool left here, where there's even more of a color fade here, but I'm not going to use the rest of this. I'm going to use this for another scarf, I'm sure, or another project, I'm sure. But this scarf now we will finish off here with these 2 nice parts here, from the beginning in dark and the end in the light color. And yeah, I really like that. Yeah, it kind of ends very similarly at the solid colors. And yeah, you can see here the scarf is pretty thin, but it's great for spring, I think. And I think, yeah, this nice little whole pattern just looks really nice. It's a different variation a little bit from a regular V pattern, just because we have, yeah, always the double crochets together. And the wool just looks really nice. I really hope that you guys liked watching this video. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you back here again next time at DIY Ideas. Bye!